Yes, sanibonani. Ninjani naphila bafethu? Sithembe naphila mfoka Mkhonzo nibingelelayo. Thank you so much for being here supporting this channel. Ngicela uthatha leli thuba kuqala nje ngibonga ama new subscribers to this channel. Bese ngibonga wonke oyi subscriber nje kule channel noma oyi regular member of this channel la YouTube. Bese ngibonga kanjalo futhi na TikTok ama new followers kanjalo nama regular followers. Ngiyabonga. Nawe ngicela mangaka subscribe, it's free of charge. La ku YouTube, please do subscribe. Uphinde press follow nalapha ku TikTok, it's free of charge. Ngiyabonga. Ngithake ngithi ukuthinta kancane le ndaba le impeachment lapha eParliament. Ngibuka indaba kaSpeaker uThoko Didiza. Umama uThoko Didiza kusuka indaba manje ngaye ethi akafuni ukuphikisa iapplication ka President Cyril Ramaphosa njoba eyifakile application enkantolo ukuthi kumiwe nokuqhubeka kokuphenywa kwakhe ngephalaphala. So ke liyamsola iParliament ukuthi kungani enza kanje noma ake ngithi nje iyamsola impeachment committee ukuthi kungani enza kanje uma kuwukuthi isinqumo seParliament noma isinqumo seimpeachment sewukuthi akaphikisa noma sewukuthi iimpeachment committee yona ngokwayi yaphikisa kwayi yena engaphikisi. Kukhona abantu into kufanele abayikhumbula abantu noma sibakhumbuze yona. Niyakhumbula ukuthi le application efakwe uPresident Ramaphosa yokuthi kumiswe yonke into ngokuphenywa iParliament ngephalaphala isuselwa kwi-report section 89 leya report eyathi he has a case to answer, fanele aphendule. Inkantolo yomthethosisekelo sesizwile ke ukuthi ibuyisele emuva eParliament le ndaba ukuthi no akube iParliament edila nalento iyenza ukuthi uRamaphosa aphendule ngalolu daba. Njengoba ke iqhubeka ke manje kunalempikiswano ke khona ke ukuthi ngabe yaphikisa uSpeaker noma wenza njani. Fanele sikhumbule into eyodwa ukuthi ipanel report le before yake yavotelwa, singakhohlwa lo, yake yavotelwa eParliament. Sikhumbule singakhohlwa ukuthi iANC yayichitha le report. Yayichitha le report iANC. That includes yena umama uThoko Didiza. Niyayizwa leyo nto. Yayichitha le report iANC. Kwakusenomama uMapisa Nqakula. So ke yini engenza ke manje si-expect ukuthi umama uThoko Didiza njengoba sawuspeaker weParliament angavumelana nento akayichitha before. Yini engasenza sikholelwe ukuthi ANC manje ingavumelana nento eyake yayichitha before? Ngoba ngizwile ukuthi neANC ayikho fully committed lapha ku-impeachment ukuthi ihambisana nayo iprocess ye-impeachment against uPresident Ramaphosa. iANC yayichitha le report. So ayikho into esingayi-expecta engcono evela ku-ANC noma kumuntu we-ANC. uSpeaker weParliament umama uThoko Didiza, he's an ANC member. He's a supporter of President Cyril Ramaphosa. Therefore mina angisiboni isidingo sokuthi sibe sisithuka ukuthi hawu kanjani ngoba khona lawe bakholelwa ukuthi umama uThoko Didiza is different, is matured, is a reasoning and everything. No, she's a member of the ANC. That's the problem. That's why thina sithi sihlezi sisho sithi inkinga ekhona eSouth Africa yi-ANC. Individuals in the ANC who are serving under the umbrella of the ANC, you cannot expect them ukuthi bangenza into engcono for the country. Noma ngabe kuthiwa khona i-reasoning abanayo noma khona umqondo abanayo, but the fact ukuthi babizwa nge-ANC, that's a big problem ngokwayo nje. So ingakho ngizothi mina kulo daba lolu lukamama uThoko Didiza, ngombono wami ngithi mina lolu daba lolu akube udaba nje eselibukayo ukuthi udaba lwe-ANC asilithathe nje kanjalo udaba lwe-ANC. She's an ANC member, therefore vele instruction uyithola ku-ANC, ngeke kaze ajikele uPresident Ramaphosa. So into nje mina engiyicabangayo nengiyibonayo ukuthi vele le application eyenziwe i-EFF yokuthi noma lencwadi eyibhalele uDeputy Speaker ukuthi kube uyena othatha lolu daba lolu lwe-impeachment luye phambili, isinqumo esihle kakhulu leso, mina ngiyasupporta kakhulu leso. Yayibona, because ayikho into engcono ezokwenzeka kulo daba lwephalaphala uma lisingathwa umuntu owake waba yimember yabantu abayichitha le report. So ayikho into esingayi-expecta le, ayikho into esizoyithola kule. Vele bazokwenza sure be-ANC ukuthi na njengoba belapha kuleya impeachment bazobe belokhu begxambukela bephazamisa inhlelo eziqondile zokuthi uPresident Ramaphosa aphendule. Bazobe belokhu besupporta lento yokuthi uPresident Ramaphosa efuna ukubalekela lokuphendula. Bazobe belokhu bevumelana naye lapha nalapha. So ayikho into enesense esingayilindela ku-ANC noma kumember ye-ANC. Umbono wami lo. So nje into engayisho ngathi kule motion lena efakwayo njengamanje yokuthi angathenjwa, kubonisa ukuthi akathenjwa uSpeaker weParliament, that's the right decision. Ama-member eParliament awadebate ngendaba kaSpeaker ukuthi uright yini uSpeaker ukuthi aqhubeke uSpeaker weParliament noma ukuthi aqhubeke kunguye oleader kulolu daba lolu eParliament lwephalaphala, noma kufanele kungene uDeputy Speaker. So nje yiloko engingakusho nje overall nje, noma sengisummarize yonke into ngizothini, ayikho into engcono kule country South Africa engcono esingayithola ku-ANC noma esingayithola kumuntu oyimember ye-ANC. Nani niyazibonela kwenzakalani ngoMadlanga Commission, niyazibonela nje imess eyenzakala eSouth Africa. Nangu njengamanje sidila nama-illegal immigrants, i-ANC yesifake kule nto le, is the ANC government. Buka namanje basazidefenda even though bebona eSouth Africa ukuthi kuya ngokuya be-exposeka ukuthi kahle kahle lelizwe leli kahle kahle balifake inkingeni eziningi, baya-expose. Buka abantu abalokhu bevela, for example, abaphumayo njengamanje bebuyela emakhaya, bebangazi ukuthi kunabantu abangaka, bayithuka kwabona manje ukuthi kanti kunabantu abangaka kule country abala illegally. Yayibona, so kuyakutshela ukuthi kahle kahle balele emsebenzini. So yiloko nje kahle kahle bengifuna ukusho nje ukuthi don't expect anything positive from any member of the ANC. Don't expect anything from the ANC positive engasiza le country. Odabeni lukaMamThokoditiza, ngiyabonga ke sixoxe nithini nina ngalolu daba. Uthini umbono wakho? Ake sihlangane ngama-comments. Ngicela uqhubeke usubscribe, uma ungasubscribe it's free of charge. Uphinde ufollow na TikTok. Mfoka Mkhonza lo. Thank you so much.